What's going on, guys? Don't go to Future's Rolling Loud set at 3 a.m. I'm here right now. It's so spooky, guys. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Guys, Future just left the screen. I'm so scared. Future's calling my phone right now. Should I pick up? I'm gonna pick up. Future?
Sensational.
She belongs to the streets.
She belongs to the streets. No, guys, I don't know what that means. Comment below if what you think she knows she belongs to the streets. Someone translate that. Guys, we're gonna go deeper into the Rolling Loud mosh pit even though no one's there at 3 a.m.
Hey, are you as scared as me to do the 3 a.m. Rolling Loud Future Challenge? Wow. Wait, what is Future doing in that house? Please don't do anything dangerous, Future. Oh no, Future just lit the house on fire.
Hello, yes it is me, Mr. Future, and I light houses on fire in front of the homeless despite the housing crisis we are currently facing that is inevitable, the result of the 2008 housing bubble bursting.
Guys, it's still 3 a.m. and Future's so scary. There's no one in the audience. This is the scariest challenge I've ever done. Rolling Loud Future set at 3 a.m. I'm so scared. Comment below if you're scared too.